Welcome to Ediolam. This is fifth part for chapter number 15, Economic Development. This is for class 10th GACB. So what we are going to discuss in this part is mixed economy or else control economic system also you can tell. This both are the name of the same thing. Mixed economy या तो फिर control economic system. Whatever you like you can tell it. So what we are going to understand is about mixed economy कि ये mixed economy होती क्या है and which country works with mixed economy. So let's start. Mixed economic system attempts at removing the limitations of market system and socialist system and tries to assimilate it in good elements of both the system. Now we have already looked at what was the two system. They were market system and socialist system. There were many advantages and there were many disadvantages also for both of them. Now what this mixed economy does is they try to fix down both the things. This is the third form which tries to fix down the two forms. उसके जो limitations थे it works on that. जो benefits थे it works on them too. Limitations थे उसको कम करती and it increases the benefits. So India, we can say India is practicing mixed economy. Mixed economy is such a type of economic system in which public and private sector coexist and both the sectors do not work as the competitor, rather than they work as complementary with each other. In mixed economy what happens? Let's talk about India only. This would be easier as compared to the theoretical part. What happens? We have many government buildings, we have many government offices, whereas we have many private offices also. We have many people working in the government section and we have many people working in the private sector also. So what happens? Government job is also good, government things are also good, and at the same time private things are also very good and the people working in it are also very skillful. So what happens? Here there is not competition between the private and the government. Okay, the private will run faster than me and the government will lacking behind, and if government is running faster then private will go behind the government. So this is not the scenario over here. What is there? They are complementary to each other. Government is working on its own track and private is working on its own track. So they have the different track, we can say. So while basic keys are like heavy industries, factories producing defense material, railway, electricity, roads, irrigation, etc. are owned by the state. So, ये सारी जो heavy industries है, like trains, like army, defense that comes, then electricity, roads, this all are still in the hands of government only. Government is trying to move towards the privatization of some of the things from here, like railways, but yet government is still working on it. Only one train is private in India, that is the Tejas Express, which is private train, and the whole control is in the hand of private sector. And rest of the trains are still in the control of government only. Then what is there with the private ownership? The agriculture, trade, small consumable good industry, this all things are there in the hands of private sector, whereas the heavy things which are useful for all people, अगर उस चीज के दाम बढ़ जाए, उस चीज का प्राइस बढ़ जाए, then what will happen? The middle class people, the poor people of India will suffer a lot, and we all know that India में बहुत ज़्यादा rich लोग नहीं है. We have moderate kind of people, we have large poor people in India, so we really need to think of them. So India has adopted the concept of mixed economy or else the control economic system. Why it is known as control economic system? Because the government takes the steps for its own, for the betterment of the people, it works for the society. In this system, market is not completely free. Market is not completely free in this kind of system. Next thing that happens in mixed economy, in this system market is not completely free. So somewhere or other way, the indirect way we can say, it is in the hand of government, it is in the hand of state. Government lays control in different ways. For example, state lays heavy tax on production of unwanted things. The things which are really useful for the human beings for the survival. So what government will do, उसके ऊपर कम tax रखेगी, and the things which are luxurious, which is not required for the day-to-day life, which are luxurious and which which is not consumed by whole people, which is not consumed for the everyday life, this type of goods, what happens, government lays a high tax on this type of goods, the luxurious type of goods or the goods which are not in use. The second thing which government does is, in the same way, industries in the backward areas are encouraged by giving subsidy relaxation and tax and so on. So what happens, the industries in backward areas, now what will happen, अगर कोई backward area है and there also a person who has set up the industry, he has put a huge efforts, he had gathered that much courage to set up the industry in the backward area. अब backward area में industry तो बना दी, लेकिन he is not getting any help from government, then what will happen, no profit also is getting. So to keep his morale up, what government does, government provides various kind of subsidies as well as a good relaxation in tax, मतलब थोड़े पैसे या आपको कट होंगे या टैक्स जो है that will be also discounted tax we can say. So this all things are done by the government to uplift the backward industries. In mixed economy, in such an economic system in which important place is given to economic planning is taken in economic decisions. Coexistence of private and public sector is accepted in system. This system is called controlled economic system. Now what is controlled economic system? In it, coexistence of private and public sector are accepted in the same manner. अलग रखते हैं दोनों को, लेकिन the value of private and public sector are equal. This type of system is called controlled economic system. And in this type of mixed economic system, what happens, the important place is given to economic planning, is taken in economic decisions. The budget is prepared in such a way that it takes a brief note at all the different areas wherever the budget really people want something to be developed, then more amount of money will be given to that particular area. So this is how the budget is also formed in mixed economy. And whereas the countries like India, France and England, these three countries follow the concept of mixed economy. We so far studied that market system, socialist system and mixed economy are deciding factors of economic decisions and distribution of resource. There is no country in the world today where there is absolute market system or socialist system. अब ऐसा कोई system नहीं है which really has this two type of system that we have already talked. All countries have their own market system, different economic system, but प्योर कोई ऐसा कंट्री नहीं है विच ओनली फोकसेस ऑन द सोशलिस्ट सिस्टम और विच ओनली फोकसेस ऑन मार्केट सिस्टम. समवेयर और अदर वे मिक्स इकोनॉमी, द एसेंस ऑफ मिक्स इकोनॉमी इज सीन इन एवरी कंट्री. Both the system have lost their individual features and have assimilated into mixed economy. So both the system that we have talked about, the and the socialist system, both the system has somewhere lost their individual identity and they have got the new name as the mixed economy, because ये दोनों सिस्टम से पूरा कंट्री नहीं चल सकता था. दिस वॉज द मेन प्रॉब्लम विद दिस सिस्टम. सो समवेयर और द अदर वे पीपल आर यूजिंग मिक्स इकोनॉमी, mixed system. Both the systems have lost their individual features and have assimilated into mixed economy. Market system witnesses indulgence of planning elements and state interference, while social system witnesses economic relaxation and economic liberalization. Now, we have already studied market system. What it witnesses, it includes the planning. Also, it has the interference of the government, of the state government, and also of the union government. While socialist system, which still exists somewhere, which has the essence of mixed economy, but the social system still is seen, still it is witnessed how it is there. Economic relaxation and economic liberalization are given over there. So in this manner, this socialist system is worked. But there are demerits also witnessed in mixed economy. For example, there are many demerits, the disadvantages of mixed economy or or control economic system. They are lack of coordination, inconsistent economic policy, low rate of growth of economic development, etc. So this were the limitation of mixed economy के lack of coordination नहीं है, what government is telling and what people are running behind, there is no coordination between the government and the people. This is the main issue. Then comes economic instability. जितने पैसे government के पास होंगे, that only thing the government is going to give, the part from the whole thing the government is going to give to the people for the use. So this is also disadvantage. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता, then people can use as much as they want, as much as they have and as much as they want. The low rate of growth of economic development. So somewhere or the other way, mixed economy directly or indirectly is responsible for the low growth of economic development. So here we end this chapter, and this was the limitations. So here we end this chapter of 10th standard 15th chapter economic development. If you have any kind of doubt, if you have any kind of suggestion, feel free to write in the comment section. Do not forget to hit a like button if you found the video informative. Stay connected with us for the further updates. Thank you.